Okay, so I just loaded in my file. I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to hold my machine on the piece of material that I'm working on. Alright, so now I've got it set up. I'm going to probe XYZ. Alright, so we're set. Again, this is the first one that we're doing, and it's going to come up with an error. I know it's going to come up with an error because I programmed it to come up with an error. But I did it for a reason, so that you guys would understand how to fix this. Alright, so I'm going to fire up the CNC, but I want you to take a look at the screen. I'm going to zoom in on the screen. Okay, ways we can fix this. One, we can re-zero the machine to the center of the board where we want it to be running, or you can go back into VCarve, change the position of your zero position to correspond to the corner, which I have done. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to open. Okay. And I've got the very top one there selected. Okay, we haven't changed the position of our home. Our home is still here in the corner. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to run this file real quick. It's going to be about a 15-minute file. I'll bring you in at the end, but for right now we're just going to go ahead and run the file. So you can kind of see what's going to happen with this.